Hi, my name is Muhammad Irfan. I am the student of University of Southern Queensland. I'm gonna show you cloud computing, and my referral number is 0061052332. Cloud computing, or in simpler shorthand, just the cloud, also focus on maximizing the effectiveness of the shared resource. Cloud resources are usually not only shared by multiple users but are also dynamically relocated per demand. This can work for allocating resource to user. For example, a cloud computer facility that serves European users during European business hours with a specific application, for example email, may relocate the same resource to serve North America user during North America business hour with a different application, for example a web server. This approach should maximize the user of computing power, thus reducing environmental damage as will seem less power, air conditioning, rack space, etc. are required for a variety of functions. Most of the companies today are making the move to cloud. They are realizing unknowingly we use cloud services every day. They are realizing the benefit of getting new feature faster and having the IT workload reduced. Whenever technology makes rapid advance, they are concerned over issues such as security and the amount of data stored available. Cloud companies constantly address these issues, making cloud computing a major player in the brave new IT world. Congratulations, you are using the cloud. Why cloud companies are remote access, mobile profiling, disaster proofing. In SaaS model, load balancer distribute the work over the set of virtual machines. This process is transparent to the cloud user who sees only a single access point. Cloud benefits: easily upgradable productivity anyway, offsite data storage, no IT maintenance cost, disaster assistance, always UP, lower cost of ownership. The pricing model for SaaS application is typically a monthly or yearly flat fee per user. So price is scalable and adjustable if users are added or removed at any point. With some past offers like Microsoft Azure and Google App Engine, the underlying computer and storage resource scale automatically to match application demand, so that the cloud user does not have to allocate resource manually. The latter has also been proposed by an architecture aiming to facilitate real-time in cloud environment. Cloud services: SaaS, PaaS, LaaS. LaaS computing often offer additional resources such as a virtual machine disk, image library, raw block storage, and file or object storage, firewall, load balancer, IP address, virtual local area network, and software bundle. LaaS cloud providers supply this resource on demand from the large pool installed in data center. For wide area connectivity, customers can use either the internet or carrier cloud dedicated virtual private network. Cloud busting is an application deployment model in which an application runs in a private cloud or data center and bursts to a public cloud when the demand for computing capacity increases. A primary advantage of cloud busting and a hybrid cloud model is that an organization only pays for extra compute resource when they are needed. Cloud busting enables data center to create an in-house IT infrastructure that supports average workload and use cloud resource from public or private cloud during spike in processing demands. For online storage, backup and collaboration, Microsoft Skydive is most popular. Consideration before jumping in location matters for performance, data security, service level management, control and privacy. Consider career. With web, Android, iPhone, Mac and Windows Silent and an NIFI fetch features, Microsoft's cloud solution Skydive is one of the most complete offering of its type. For small business using or interested in financial benefits, reduce coastal cost, reduce overhead, scalability. No server to buy, no server license to buy, no unexpected investment needed due to equipment failure, obedience or disaster. For finance, NPV can be described as the difference amount between the sum of discounted cash inflow and cash outflow. It compares the present value of money today to the present value of money in the future, taking inflation and return into the amount. NPV greater than 0, the investment would add value to the firm, the project may be accepted. NPV less than 0, the investment would subtract value from the firm, the project should be rejected. Profitably, index attempt to identify the relationship between the cost and benefit of a proposed project through the use of a ratio. The ratio of 1.0 is logically the lowest acceptable measure on the index. Any value lower than 1.0 would indicate that the project PV is less than the initial investment. This shifts to cloud can be enabled by the productivity gains delivery by deploying app on PaaS combined and compounded with the gains of agile software development process. This improvement will reduce the time to market for custom software by order of magnitude. Software applications built for companies are being created and delivered in day or week instead of month or year. By lowering the time and thus cost of creating custom software, the number and variety of projects that become viable is dramatically increased. Hence, our company should